let me show you how downloads work in LiveWall. You've run an event, you've shared LiveWall with your guests, you've collected tons of photos, and now you want to get all of those high-resolution files down to your own Mac or PC and store them safely forever. LiveWall has a download function built in here in the sidebar, so clicking that will give you two options. You can use new items only. This means that anything you have not downloaded in the past will be included in the zip file. So if you download incrementally through the event, this is a nice way of keeping the zip files in sort of a manageable size. If you've lost control and you want to make sure that you have everything, hit all items. I have to do that because I've recorded this video several times now. So I'm going to select all items and hit start download. So the server will now start collecting your files, zipping them up into one humongous zip file, and it will deliver that to you. So we can still stand on this screen and wait for this to complete. If you are not the type who loves progress bars, you can just leave the screen right now, and LiveWall will send you an email that looks like this, which says download your LiveWall photos, and then you have access to exactly the same zip file. If you go back, we now see that download is ready. If I hit download zip, that will go into my downloads folder, and I can open that folder. My previous download is already here, so we can take a look at that. Here are the original untouched high-resolution files. Whatever I marked as favorites or hidden are now sorted into separate folders. I know it's a bit small here, but you'll easily recognize this when you test that yourself. A bonus in LiveWall is the file called photobook.pdf. And if I open that, you can see that LiveWall has created a PDF of your event. So it's taking all of your photos, randomly organizing them and spreading them out on pages, some with layouts like this, sometimes 2, sometimes 4, sometimes 1 photo per page. And this is a print-ready PDF, so you can ship this off to any print shop. It's as high quality as the images were uploaded with, and this is ready for print. And having a physical album of your event might be a nice touch. If you want to customize this, it's super easy to upload this into Canva or edit it with Adobe products and add that personal touch and swap around images, do whatever you need to sort of make this uniquely yours. So that's a bonus in LiveWall. Also, if you gather hundreds or thousands of photos, downloading this humongous zip file might not necessarily be the best way. And a lot of you are using Google Photos, Google Drive for storage. So you can also connect your wall to Google Drive. If you go to your user profile, you will see that we have a Google Drive option here, and you can connect Google Drive. If I hit test, I can verify that I am connected to Google. If I go back to my wall and into settings, then hit download here on the side, I can see I have an option for including moderated files. So if there's something that has been rejected, I can also get those downloaded. And I have an option here for transferring to Google Drive. So if I enable that, all of the files currently on my wall will be transferred to Google Drive, usually within half an hour to an hour. And then after that, any photo uploaded to the wall will be delivered to your Google Drive in real time. So this is a way for you to not having to go back to LiveWall and downloading the zip file, or if there's really huge amounts, you have this constant stream of photos being delivered to Google rather than this one-time operation of downloading everything. So I wanted you to be aware of both of those options. They also work in parallel, so even if you have everything transferred to Google Drive, you can still go into LiveWall and download the zip file. So I hope that that gives you an overview. If you have questions, there's always the FAQ on livewall.no, and of course reaching out to us with any questions on Instagram, WhatsApp, email, whatever you like, and we'll do our best to help you. Happy usage of LiveWall. All the best with your event, and